So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and I have a great idea. Why don't you and I draw my best friend's watch? Yeah, Meekah's watch. And do you know what color it is? Yeah, it's purple and yellow, her two favorite colors. But I'm gonna take purple and start by doing a very small circle right in the middle, and then a larger circle like that. Whoa, it kind of looks like an eye, right? And then we'll do 4 lines, just like that. Whoa! All right, now we have to draw a circle around it, but we need to do some bumps. All right, so like this, bump out, bump in. Whoa, bump out, bump in. Bump out, bump in. Bump out, bump in. Whoa! Now that looks like the watch's face. And then we need to draw all the way to the top, like that, and all the way to the bottom. Yeah, and that's how you put it on your wrist. And this side right here has circles. Yeah. Whoa, that looks so good. If you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you want to draw a sea turtle with me? Yeah, I love sea turtles. They are so cute. I love how they have a shell and then they can swim underwater. Whoa. All right, first I'm gonna take this green marker and draw the shell. So I'm gonna draw a big curved line like that, and then another curved line right there. Woo, and then that looks like the shell, doesn't it? Yeah, shells are really hard. Up here, I'm gonna draw the neck and the head. Whoa, perfect. And I'm gonna color in a circle for the eye, and then a smiley face. Yeah! All right, let's draw another curved line like this. Ooh, and another curved line like that, and 3 more curved lines right up there to complete the shell. And then we need to draw 4 squares for the legs. Well, actually, they're not legs. They're actually fins on sea turtles. Yeah, so then they can swim underwater. Wow, I love sea turtles, and I love drawing. If you want to draw with me some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Have you ever been outside when it's raining? Yeah, what do you hold in your hand? Yeah, an umbrella, so then you don't get all wet. Why don't we draw an umbrella together? First, we have to draw a big half circle. Whoa, and then 3 smaller half circles the other way. There we go. And then we need to draw a letter J. Yeah, just like that. For the handle. Doesn't that look like the letter J? I know. And then if we draw lines like this, yeah, it has little sections that we can color it in and make a very colorful umbrella. So let's add some red right there. Whoa, let's add some green. Whoa, there we go. And let's add some blue. Whoa, now that's a colorful umbrella. Whoa, if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you want to draw something else together? Me too. I think we should draw a hedgehog. All right, I'm gonna take this black marker and draw a diagonal line. Yeah, which is a line on an angle. And then I'm gonna start to draw a circle. Yeah, but I'm gonna stop just like that. And I'm gonna go to the top of the diagonal line, go straight down, and then loop and make a really long L, just like that. And that's the body. But before I go, I'm gonna start to make the circle and color it in, and that is the nose right there. They can smell really well. And then another circle, and that's the eye. And then a big smile, because they're all so happy. And then we need some U's, just like that, for the legs. Whoa! And then we're gonna do some upside down V's. Whoa! For the pokies. Whoa! Wow, there we go. Cute animal. Well, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you know all the planets of our solar system? Yeah. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Wow, there's 8 planets. Why don't we draw one of them? I'm gonna pick the color red and let's draw Saturn. Wow, Saturn is the 2nd largest planet. Whoa, and it looks like top of a circle, but I'm gonna stop halfway. And then I'm gonna start to draw the ring. Whoa, check it out. And then the bottom half of the circle, just like that. Wow, doesn't that look like Saturn? I know, wow. Thank you so much for drawing Saturn with me. If you wanna draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you want to draw a spider with me? Yeah, I like spiders. They are so cool how they can spin webs. Wow, isn't that unique? I know. All right, to draw a spider, I'm gonna grab this black marker and draw a circle. All right, just like that. And then, since they have 8 legs, let's draw 8 curved lines like that. There we go. And then 4 on this side to make the 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. And then let's draw a circle right here for an eye, circle right there for an eye, and then a smiley face. But this isn't just a normal spider. This is a black widow. Let's draw the hourglass over there. Yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, black widows have this red hourglass on the body. Yeah, you don't want to get close to those. Whoa, pretty cool. Well, I love drawing, and if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Oh, hey, it's me, Blippi. And I was just acting like I was driving a race car. Race cars are so fast. Hey, maybe you and I can draw a race car. All right, first let's start with the color blue and let's draw the wheels and tires. Every race car has 4 wheels and tires, but since we're drawing it from the side, all we need to do is draw 2. And do you see those tires? Yeah, they're circles. Ooh, and let's draw the body of the race car. Whoa, a nice aerodynamic shape. Whoa, so fast. And then let's draw a triangle for the back right there, a triangle for the front right here. Whoa, cool. And then let's switch colors. And let's draw red flames because they're so fast. Cool. And let's not forget about the spoiler. Whoa, doesn't that look like a cool race car? I know, right? Well, if you like race cars and you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. Blippi. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!